welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Zeus dual RTA. We got some Geekvape coils and some more cotton bacon prime. So I have the other cotton bacon, but I don't know why. I really like this stuff a lot better. I don't know what the difference actually is. These are the demon killers I was using previously, and I got some of the Geekvape ones because I wanted to try those out. So let's get this guy open. So this seal is really easy to break, just so you know. You can literally just scratch it off with your finger. I'm so excited for this tank though, because the tanks that I've been using have the bottom airflow. So what happens is they can leak, but this one's supposed to be the leak-proof single dual coil RTA. So you can put two coils in here or a single, and because of the top flow, it's not supposed to leak. So there's a ton of videos out there on how to, like, unboxing reviews and stuff. So if you want to watch one of those, go watch somebody else's video. I mean, this will be just a quick overview, but I'm gonna do a wicking too. Bag of shit. Oh man, one of these cards. So I got my Aegis here, and when I got my Aegis, it came with one of these cards, and I thought this card was just super cool. Like just the way that this paper is, the lettering on it. Oh, it's wow. I'm just really tickled by that. I don't know why. I think it's cool. Look at that subtle coloring, the tasteful thickness. Oh my god, it even has some gloss. So let's begin the rebuilding process. I've never taken this apart, so this is going to be, you guys are going on a journey with me. It looks like my coils are going to sit that way. It's been a long time since I've seen anybody wick this, so I think I'm going to try and do it without actually looking it up and cheating. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I paid for this with my own money. Geekvape didn't send this to me. However, thanks for making a cool thing. I'll let you know how I like it. Sorry that you had to watch me struggle with this coil, but this is kind of hard. Alright, so fast forward a little bit. I got one of the coils seated. This tool sucks. Like, no offense, Geekvape. I know everybody puts it in there. Fuck this thing. So I manned up and got a real screwdriver, and this thing works way better. So I'm having a lot of trouble getting this part inside the hole. I usually don't have trouble getting it in the hole, but you know, tonight's a little different. So I'm just gonna take my little tweezers here, and I'm gonna try and put it in the hole, just like that. And I'm gonna push it down a little bit, and you know, check my deck height and all that good shit. Come on, fucker. I don't know if it's still too long or what the deal is here. I really want to position these a little bit straighter. I think I just need to heat them up. Take good old trusty off of here. Oh shit. Hey, they say it's not supposed to leak, right? The leak-proof tank, isn't that what that... Leak-proof. We're gonna put that to the test. Man, she just gobbles that cotton up. Oh my gosh. Wow. I was just a little apprehensive because the airflow is also on the top, so it's kind of like, am I in the right hole? Again, situation where I don't know about the holes being right. Oh man, I'm overfilling it. Ah, my shit's stuck. Alright, so this is the Smock 2FV12 RBA that I've been using and that I have such high praise for. And I'm running it at 64 from the last test, but we'll turn it down to like 55. I just want to give you guys like a quick, this is what I get out of it at 55, and we'll compare it to that guy. Alright, and now we'll switch over to the Zeus. Yeah, there we go. So it was a little flooded at first, but starting to get all that shit out of there. It was burning my tongue and stuff. Wow. That tastes really good too. So once I get, once you get it all cleared out, and we were actually having a discussion in the Discord today about purging. So if you guys haven't been to the Discord, make sure you guys check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. But so far, I'm really liking this. But I'll keep vaping on it, and I'll let you guys know what happens in the future. Thanks for watching. See you later.